1. Sell your skills online. Got a talent? Writing, design, editing, even talking? Sell it on Fiverr or Upwork. You don't need a degree, just a decent profile and proof you can do it. 2. Start a faceless YouTube channel. No face, no problem. AI tools can help you write, voice, and edit videos. Pick a niche, upload consistently, and monetize through ads or affiliate links. 3. Print on demand. Design once, earn forever. Platforms like Redbubble or Teespring let you upload art or quotes. When someone buys your design, you get paid. No inventory needed. 4. Online tutoring or coaching. Know something better than most people? Teach it. Whether it's language, coding, cooking, or even fitness. People will pay to learn from someone who's one step ahead. 5. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you love. When someone buys using your link, you earn a commission. Do it on YouTube, Instagram, or even WhatsApp. No product, no investment.